Hello my friends, my name is Ellen. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my Southern Kitchen, the 402nd episode and the 7th episode of Ellen's Fall Baking Series 2020. Today I'm going to share with all of you the ultimate dessert for the fall, and it is the bomb.com amazing. We're going to make sweet potato roll cake, a soft and tender sponge cake that's full of sweet potatoes and spices, simple and easy to make, and we're going to fill it with a decadent orange cream cheese frosting. How yummy does that sound? Everybody's going to enjoy this. Y'all going to love it, love it, love it. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my sweet potato recipes playlist and my previous video, Dutch apple pie. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your flour, your spices, your cream cheese, your oranges, and your sweet potato sugar, because we're about to bake some sweet potato roll cake magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is make up the dry ingredients. In my bowl I have 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour, and we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of my homemade pumpkin pie spice. I'll post links to that recipe down below in the description box. We're going to whisk everything together until it's well incorporated. Alright, so now we're going to set the dry ingredients aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my large bowl, I have 3 jumbo eggs at room temperature. And in 2-hour eggs, we're going to add in 1 cup of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and the star of the show, the sweet potatoes. I have 2/3 of a cup of cooked sweet potatoes that are mashed and cool. And we're just going to whisk everything together until it's well combined. Alright my friends, now we're going to add in the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients real slowly. Continue whisking until it's well incorporated. You can smell the pumpkin pie spice. Smells wonderful. Smells like fall. Alright, as soon as I get through whisking everything, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, this is what the cake batter look like. Smooth and whipped. And look at that beautiful orange color. Alright, that looks great. Now we're ready to pour it into the pan. We're going to pour it in a 15 by 10 inch long baking pan that I lined with parchment paper, and I greased it with baking spray. And I have some extra parchment paper on the side so that way it'll be easier for the cake to come out. Alright, so now I'm going to spread it evenly using my spatula. Alright, so now we're going to shake it and bang it to get some of the air bubbles out. Alright, now we're ready to put this cake in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for about 14 to 15 minutes. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I've taken my cake out of the oven. I removed it from the pan. So now we're going to gently roll it the shortest end. This cake is very soft, so you want to be very gentle with it. And you must roll it while it's hot, because it won't work if you let it cool. So now we're going to put the cake on the wire rack. Alright, perfect. She as snug as a bug in the rug. Now we're going to let the cake cool completely. And while that's cooling, we can get started on a luscious orange cream cheese filling. In my bowl, I have one 8-ounce package of cream cheese and 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter that I let come to room temperature. And we're going to cream these until they're fluffy. On medium speed. Alright, 2 hour cream cheese and butter. We're going to add in the zest of a medium orange, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of pure orange extract. And mix those in until they're well incorporated. Alright, now we're going to slowly add in 1 cup of powdered sugar that I sifted. Mix this in until it's well combined. Alright, my friends, now our sweet potato roll is nice and cool. We're ready to ice. We're going to gently unroll the cake. So now we're going to take the filling, spread it all over, like so. Love the smell of orange. It smells amazing up in this kitchen. Alright, as soon as I get through icing the cake, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through icing the cake. So now we're going to gently roll it again off the plastic wrap. Alright, so now I put my sweet potato roll onto some plastic wrap. We're going to gently roll it again. Just like that. So now we're going to put it in the refrigerator and we're going to let it chill for 1 hour or overnight. And I'm going to do mine overnight so the filling can be nice and chill. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow. All right, my friends, it's the next day and our cake is nice and chill in the filling. I removed it from the plastic wrap and I put it on my platter. So now all we do is dust some powdered sugar. And you ready for the grand finale? OMG, look at that. Look how pretty that is, and look at the inside. Fantastic. And there you have it, my friends. Sweet potato cake roll with a orange cream cheese filling. So now I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, I have fixed me up a plate and I'm serving it with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Oh yeah, look at that texture. Beautiful. Mm-mm. Mmm. The cake is light and airy. Could taste the spices and the sweet potatoes. And that orange cream cheese filling is amazing. This sweet potato roll cake is phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Sweet potato roll cake licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Instagram or send me an email, ellenshomemade@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and stay safe.